Welcome to Dental Stack. I'm Aditi, and today we'll explore the aligner treatment management page within the patient profile section. Here you'll find comprehensive details about your patient's treatment progress. Let's get started. To access the Aligners tab for a patient, you can use the global search option. Just input the patient's first name or last name and it will direct you to their profile. Alternatively, you can select the patient from either the leads or patient section. Now, navigate to the Aligners tab. Here you'll see a detailed list of all aligners in your patient's treatment plan. You can easily track key information such as aligner type, wear duration, production status, and more. This list is automatically generated based on the submitted treatment plan. Aligners are categorized as upper, lower, or both. The wear duration for each aligner is determined by the recommended wear days you've selected. Features such as production lab, aligner status, and status updated on are primarily designed for in-office aligner manufacturers and are detailed in a separate video. The average wear time and compliance column provides an overview of the average wear hours for both the past and current aligner. For a detailed breakdown, navigate to the wear stats section, where you can explore daily compliances against each aligner. Now let's talk about making adjustments to the treatment plan. Firstly, it's important to note that the total aligner count cannot be increased in the treatment plan. If you require such adjustments, please inform us. We'll assist you accordingly. Next, suppose you need to modify the wear days. You have the flexibility to select a specific aligner, a set of aligners, or all aligners, and click on Update Wear Days. For instance, if you wish to alter the wear days for specific aligners, click on the check boxes and simply choose the recommended wear days option and input your desired duration, such as changing from 10 days to 14 days. After making the selection, click on Update Wear Days. If you want to apply the changes to all aligners, select all aligners with a single checkbox and repeat the process. Additionally, you have the option to adjust the wear duration and aligner type for any current or future aligners by simply clicking on the pencil icon. Let's begin with the current aligner. In this section, you won't be able to modify the start date as it has already been filled out by the patient in the change aligner form. However, you can extend the wear days by selecting the end date. Similarly, you can correct the aligner type to upper, lower, or both if necessary. Click on Update Details to confirm changes. Please note that this action will affect the start and end date of all subsequent aligners. Likewise, for future aligners, you can adjust both start and end date. Changing the start date will automatically update the end date of the previous aligner, while altering the end date will adjust the start date of the subsequent aligners. Remember, every change you make here affects the overall treatment plan, so be sure to review carefully before finalizing. Presently, each patient can only have one active treatment. However, we are actively developing the capability to include refinements for patients. And that's it. With Patient Profile and the Aligners tab, managing your patient's aligner treatment has never been easier. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us through our chat assist icon. Thank you for choosing Dentist Stack for your aligner practice. Happy dentistry!